What's up, guys? I'm just kind of bringing you a video of what I'm doing with my current setup. This is the Ronin M, and as you can see, I have one of the handles taken off. This is a brand new handle, and I'll get into that just now. Reason why I'm upgrading is because these side handles that are the OEM DJI ones would essentially just go up into here as it would, and then basically over time, after about a year of use, you could tell it's all pretty much mashed up. Not really usable, and it's not really fun to hold, knowing that rubber as you work is literally peeling off and falling on the floor. So obviously do yourself a favor, do a little upgrade. This video is kind of teaching you guys how to do so. I'm not going to do it because it's very self-explanatory. As these handles are on, there's screws, threads at the top, and essentially you just want to unbolt these threads just slightly. The piece would actually just slide off. Very minimal work that needs to be done with that. And then essentially your brand new ones, so these are bicycle handles made by ODI, very well reputable brand for the community of bikes, and they make really good quality handles. Essentially what you want to do is they provide you with the screws, put the screw in, thread it a little bit in, slide that right up in there, and it fits, direct fit, no problem, plug and play. Screw that back on, make it nice and tight, and essentially you got yourself some brand new grips, and they look really good on the Ronin, and they feel 10 times better than what the Ronin is. This is like a soft rubber, and as you can see, it's peeling, whereas this is not going to really peel on you. This is, it's got channels for air, so when you're working really hard in the summer, hot summer days, you're not going to sweat as much. So this is pretty much going to do yourself a favor, and this is almost, I would even say, an upgrade from the original DJI ones. This does come with one sec, where's the caps? One sec, guys. So here's the caps, basically that you could put at the bottom of them. Essentially what I might try to do is trying to keep the OEM look, so I might take the DJI caps off. I just gotta check how to do that. I think it should just pop off, and then just should be a plug and play. If not, again, I'll just use one of these, put at the bottom. This way it saves it from having dust and debris go into your handles, and potentially, if you work in the winter, for example, maybe cause rusting. I'm not too sure, but we're in Canada, so we get a little bit of winters and all that garbage weather. But essentially, this is what I'm doing with the setup. If you have any questions, do give me a shout. This is pretty much my top grip. I haven't taken it out yet, but that's pretty bad. That's brutal. So what I might do, since they only give you 2 handles in the setup when you buy them brand new, I might take one of the good side ones, which is probably this one, because the other one on the other side is mashed up. Don't want to use that. That's going to pretty much start tearing as soon as we get through this fine layer right here. So we'll probably get this and just get this brand new one, or semi-decent one, to slide back in there, and it should last me a good year or so. But this one obviously went through its time. This handle from the top does get held a lot, because when I'm not working, I'm not holding it by the sides, I'm holding it by the top and just kind of walking through parks and stuff. So this one would get a lot more abuse than the side handles would, but just having these on right now, like, it feels 10 times better. I feel like, I'm grabbing something of quality versus something like, that would kill your vibe essentially. So again, do yourself a favor, get yourself an upgrade. This cost me about $30 Canadian. Sorry for the focus. Cost me $30 Canadian on Amazon. Go check out this brand. And again, direct bolt on, no stress. If you got rubber peeling off and all this garbage, do yourself a massive favor. I'm upgrading it right now as we speak, but I can already tell the difference in terms of just holding it, and how firm the grip is and all that good stuff. So thank you guys. Subscribe. Make sure you like, comment. Any questions you guys may have, give me a shout, and stay tuned for future upgrades.